weather.
Currently in Union, it's 94 degrees in most.
We are working on 2013 Toyota 4RUNNER. We're changing out the radio. We got partially out. This bottom heater control panel, we just started from the side corner. We just pop that out and disconnect the harnesses from the heater control. And on the part of the radio, there are 4 10mm bolts. I'm going to remove that. Make sure there is no CDs left over. And entire radio should just come out. Okay. I'm going to disconnect all these harnesses. There's a locking tab. You just push the tab inward, downward, and remove. We are putting Pioneer DMH-W3000NEX Carplay Android Auto wireless one. We are using this Scotch dash kit, or you can get Metra numbers 998271S, or the Scotch one of those. And you also need a module to enable audio. That's the Metra. Remove the air vent, has a switch, and this transfer over to this. This bezel is all busted, as you can see. We're going to have to remove these number 1 screws. Also on this side by the adjustment for the air, we're going to have to remove and transfer over to this. Microphone here, run it down that way, put out here, and that's going to be for the Bluetooth microphone. We are doing a PAC steering wheel control SWI RC1. We got to connect 6, 7, 8. That's 6, 7, 8 right here. Red wire goes to blue wire, which is number 6, and white wire, the signal, goes to white wire, that's number 7, and black wire goes to red. That's that. Right. So, this flashes, works. seat over here. Weather.
Currently in Union, it's 94 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 99 and a low of 78.